In this video, we will show you faster way how to input data in Microsoft Excel. If usually we type the data look like this, for example, and after we done with the line 1, we manually click the line 2 here. Okay, for example, this is I think it's good, but there is a way how to become faster with this. Okay, first to do that, we need just delete this, and in here you need to click in here. Okay, right click and choose show quick access toolbar. Okay, with right click you can show the toolbar here. After that, in the toolbar you can just right click again and select customize quick access toolbar. In here the Excel option will appear. Select the comment into all comments. This is the easiest way to find the comment you want. Okay, because we need to using input form, we need just select form here. Okay, to add the form into quick access toolbar, just click add button here, and after form here just click OK. Now because there is form menu in here, we can just select the title. Okay, for example look like this, and click the form and click OK. Now we have input form look like this, and this is easier and faster, of course. For example, we can type using this method, put number. Okay, and we can click new, and for example in here John, and status married, put number here. Okay, and for example again in here Mary, and it's single, for example, and click new. And to see your data you can just click find pref and next here. Even you can delete the data if you want to make a repair, and this is I think faster rather than we manually select the cell or table. And that's all tutorial how to faster input data in Microsoft Excel. Hope this video helpful for you.